Welcome to Dan ARG YouTube. Emmanuel Agbogun don come with good news. He say for the past 2 days now, he never hear any court killings for Edo State. Make I leave you with Emmanuel, make you hear the good news we bring come today. Enjoy the video.
Yes. Good morning, my ever-conscious Edo people. If you know you're a conscious Edoite, I just want you to join this broadcast this morning with a share of today's broadcast on your platform. The truth be said, if you observe for the past 2 days, all these people they kill, where they get pleasure in killing in our state in the name of courtesan. For 2 days now, despite how we don't take the shouts they come, we don't know they hear before, but for the past 2 days, we never hear say killing occur for any part of Benin City. I don't put my ears down, don't call people across where I know. Don't try to ask, it don't happen for an area, I'll be there, nothing don't happen. So at least, maybe we see they come out, they talk the good ones when they happen the way, because all those kind of things we want to hear. Maybe if we celebrate 10 years of say no Curtis don't die for Edo State. Maybe if we celebrate 5 years, 20 years of say no Curtis don't die for Edo State. The truth be said, not because say we too know for the society, no. Now because say we get the understanding to know wetin be the issues and to also render our own piece of advice to ensure say solution come. Una know say since some of us come out for social media and shout say Edo State government and police no go tell us say they no know number one for all the area for this state. When I say number one many for inside this Curtis. They get zonal head, they get how do they call them again? This one's for now to ensure that they use until they oppress themselves. All this head, tail, center, body, whether they get for inside this their Curtis, they know they talk how they want to use the head to the better their life. You will see their court member, many of them are keke napep driver, many of them are bus conductor, many of them are Indian smokers. Many of them are so negative things now that they see for their body. They don't see any positive light for their body. And the worst part be say their parents for house go see they encourage them that they continue. Their parents for house go see and say now wetin they be. The pikin don already go register himself to say in obituary go commence before he reach 30 years. They no go see come out they talk and the way the matter be. So this very morning, will they come out to come still let the world know say for 2 days now, we will say make them hold all the number one there for all the area. If you are a zonal leader, if you are a zonal head, you are this one head, that one head. If you still be member of all those the Vikings, all those all these people. Now only killing na they sabi for this our state. Killing na they sabi for this Edo State. So we don't come to realize say it is high time they change that narrative, because anywhere you go, if you travel from here to Port Harcourt now, they say I say be Benin boy, they go first they fear you. No be say they won't fear you say you dey industrious. No be say they won't fear you say you get a better thing to offer to them. They fear you because they know say you are a killer. They know say for una place, una they look simple but una deadly. All those kind of attributes no be waiting Edo mean to the world. No be waiting majority of us wey dey passionate about where we come from, wey dey very very accommodative of where we come from. No be that one we stand to project to the world about our people. We get very many things wey they know Edo for. In those days now we dey bring out the best footballers for Nigeria. In those days now we dey bring out best brains for science for this country. But what has happened now na Curtis? If you want to hear who sabi oil cut to size, if you want to hear who sabi tongue gun wey be barrel gun to cut to size, na Edo State youth na dey for the see am. And the worst part be say parents dey see all these things dey happen. Our parents iye wey dey for us the day wey dey for us all of them dey see these things. All of them dey see these things dey happen say e no good. They no go come out come condemn am. They no go come out come condemn am, but the moment wey be say their pikin now they don shoot am, na dem go begin to shout everywhere, go carry ITV say they kill Curtis here, they kill this one here. E be like say na wetin we don dey enjoy as a people. So my people, this very morning, me I no come out to come say make we talk. If you look the way the matter they go for the state, even as we don't discover say many of these courts now vigilante now they can't go enter. How to take the carry license gun to the terrorize the state. In the sense we say then will be the leaders for the vigilante. If they go somewhere, they go use pump passion, they go use and they go shoot the bullet everywhere. They say that government give them a right. Many people know so that they are around. All of those things is totally uncalled for. Security is all about intelligence building and intelligence gathering. Vigilante job is all about keeping vigil over that area you have mapped out, to generate information from as to security. So those of una they do all those things, when I see they create the avenue, maybe say more fear, more reason to believe say they don't give this party upper hand. They never give this party upper hand. So now some of these things now make us they talk. Because you no go dey very rosy say tomorrow they say make they come count men. Because if you look at women wey dey do the courtesy, they dey kill themselves. You never hear say any girl wake up for morning carry gun go find a fellow girl kill themselves. Now we will be men. And if you still look at inside the population for inside this Nigeria, wey inside those states where we dey, men are of lower numbers, very lower number than the women. So why are we busy killing ourselves? Because of supremacy, because of na me stubborn pass. Because na me rugged pass. You see a 40-something-year-old man wey say don live courtesan for years. You go dey waka dey go in house. The small children go just take am for road. They go say, "Epa no be you." As you say you be this one, they will just fire am. The man children, the man wife, you put all of them into automatic hardship because nobody go dey there to cater for the family. This na more of the reason wey dey build more poverty for the state, wey dey build more criminals for the state, because that man, as the man don die, who want to take care of him children? Who want to take care of him children? But government wey say they want to stop all this our hard life wey they live, they want to create an enabling environment. They know they see all these vices. Go out and have a statistics of court-related killings that have, occurred in the state. You will see that family men within the ages of 35, 30 to 45 are the victims. Now they leave children. Some you see them 4 boys and 1 girl, 2 boys and 1 girl, 3 girls. You see them they leave children. Those children, the mother alone cannot cater for the responsibility of those children. Give them better education, ensure that they live a formal life the way it ought to be. Ensure that they live a formal life the way it ought to be. So these are the reasons. These are the reasons why we are lamenting. Now, by the time those children are left to face life the hard way, they end up becoming a nuisance to their society. So these are the reasons why we are talking. If government is sincere that they want to stop all of this menace, they can do that. I have said it. The only cure is hold every number one in every area responsible for any killing that happen. If they keep person for Sapomba Road, for that Sapomba Road there, they get Vicky number 1, they get Aye number 1, they get Aye number 1, they get Malfight number 1, they get Tutu number 1, they get all the courts that number 1 in that area. So if they kill anybody for that area, you arrest all of them. Not until you think themselves they are able to let the security agencies know that person that have gone to kill, they should not be charged to court. I dey very surprised when somebody call me say, come ready to come, I want to show you something. He carry me go show big, secretariat. Will I call it a secretariat or an event center? Where they say na one of these court groups don't build them, and they want commission am very soon. And I ask, una want commission something when we be in a building, wey be say up till now for street una see dey kill una sef. That one no be to say they don legalize killing. When I talk, the guy say na him be the matter wey dey talk, so say make dem try make peace dey the state. Na him make I say the only way peace go dey the state na if una dey tell security agency say see all the number 1 for the area wey dey from kill, make dem hold all of them. Because you go just see they go just shoot full flesh human being with full of life. They go just kill am for road. The people wey kill am, people go look them, they go run. When they don run finish, they go come dey give police work. Make police come dey carry their body, they go dey put for mortuary. They go some days their body go dey for road 3 days, 4 days. So all of this is where they happen, my people. All of this is where they happen, my people. If we talk and say we want take am serious, Edo State go be one of the most peaceful states in Nigeria to reside in. I know why they tell you because now here I dey the state where the fun dey happen. We dey see and we dey hear, and we dey also dey act. So I can broadly tell you, say these courts dem waiting for our state. If we no make sure say all of us join hand to stop them, they will go end up becoming a problem to us. They will end up becoming a problem to us. So my people, not be say the problem never come, we don dey see the problem, or the bad name alone. You go see where young boys full, they no go talk say young boys join courses, say they go be cooperative. They don go one farm, one thick forest, they go the farm for there. They wan harvest 40 tons or 700 tons of grains. Na there they want for take share money, they want to do their end of year party and the rest. We go understand, say they are helpful to the society. But these days, wetin we dey hear now na the number of cutlass size, the number of long gun and short gun, who get pump action, who no get pump action, who get Beretta, who no get Beretta. They go use that they terrorize us for the state. To the extent be say they are cult group, they go gather money, they go carry and give one person, say the person na moral. That one, he go carry the gun, he go gang up with some 4 boys, he go say those one are in killer squad. They go begin to rob all the stores for the area. When they raid all the store, they go snatch one car, they go from there, they go enter road. Anybody they see, they knack the thief, they go. That day they go raid more than 500 and they go say, ah man, today work day. Now him be the thing. When they're supposed to donate money among themselves to promote their life, now to donate money to unleash terror on people who see they suffer. Some of them will suffer past themselves when they unleash the terror. Some of them too, they still better past them. So my people, there's nothing like injustice that will happen anywhere in an ethnic society like our own, that people will continue to fold hand and allow this level of injustice. Somebody go just sit down for the comfort of his bedroom, he go just declare war for the full state, say go and be killing yourself in the name of we want to continue flying this color. We want to continue ensuring that this color is the color that the dread pass and then rugged pass. There's nothing else that they are fighting for. They are not fighting to say that, oh, Fulani men are killing our women and our farmers raping our women in the farm. They are not fighting that. Now they want to succeed our land to farmers, to cattle headers. Now nobody is saying that they should concede land for them. They have an association that have as some of them in this court wey they talk about for this state. If you look some of the courts wey dey this state, you go see say some of them there be over 30,000 court members across the 18 local government. They cannot mobilize that 30,000 membership strength to form a cooperative to harness the potentials of our land. Rather, what they will do is to form cooperative, and the members that they have abroad is for them to be making monies available. Who drop any strong man for this area, who drop any year for this area, we will give am 500,000. Who drop number one for this as this war they go on, so they will give am 250. Small boys, they go carry guns, they go enter streets. They go begin to find who they want to find number one to kill, or how they want to find any old meat. And so they call am old meat. Human being now don't back to the SNBC now, they don't tag human being as old meat. They go say, ah, now one old meat in drop, who be that one? Oh, they don't call it name, say take 500,000. And the worst part of this thing be say, people, our people. Me before, if you don't come and say I the whole person for Curtis, I say I don't tell you lie you. I say and my friend I be the OC. I will go beg her. In the morning you go see her, the mother, the sister, the brother, the one waiting for her brother, all of them go to call you, say comrade, I beg help, I beg go. They say they want charge them go court, they charge them go court, no bail. We go still go beg. But very recently I come ask myself, particularly after that NSAS protest, because people scatter my motor. People wey join army wey they get problem wey they can't go play scatter my motor. Now they are all cultists, and they no go say they don't know me. So I can't imagine for my life. So now these guys they for use their carelessness they kill me. You no get the people that they want to call me. Just last week here, the whole one cultist for state side they call me. I tell them say, madam, if you call me again for say you're picking a cultist, I will make sure say they don't release them. Don't involve me anything with cultists. Don't even call me, because their own don too much. They say that they fight oppression. They no go see as we dey suffer for Benin, no light, nothing dey move forward for the state. They no go say they wan come out make they come ask why e be so. Their members full authority o, they no come out come ask question. But by the time now wey be say we some of us don dey come out, they will mobilize them in their numbers to come dey beat us. I know how many times for Benin Curtis don beat me. I know how many times for Benin. From the days of Oshomole government dey come, they don dey beat us dey come. I know how many times for Imagoro wey after we don go talk for the progress of the state, they will wait for us for gate. Na slap. I know how many times. So you get one period my mother come dey tell me say no dey come out again go dey talk o. Say she no wan bury her pikin. I can't take Melo down. But when we look and say the society cannot be like that, if some of us we will not say yes, we feel the talk come out. We need the talk. So my people, we get names. If every day now they show me. Now they get report of when we don't open up. Now they get report of people will be Curtis. Some of them they don't catch me. They don't parade for crime watch. Some of them be say they don't parade for social media. Don't already carry the news so they go thief. You go see them now. Most of them they carry pump action now say they be vigilante. Now when the thief now they don't begin to keep vigil of the street. Now we know say nothing go dey loss. But the day when they choose to say they want make something loss, we go to find thief. They go forever and ever. We no go see them. So my people, for any society to progress, I dey talk and say not until when we continue to talk about the bad things wey dey happen. You go see some people that will talk say, hey, look at this one a strong man e be o. I don get problem before for one junction. That one say man no worry, man wait now, he go control men come. I say come. Now you use your motor block road. This na access road people wan pass. He say that space no reach us to pass. Mo dey there now. Before you know wetin dey happen, boys wey don come don reach like almost 20 o. As they come I say Epana you. Luckily for me, the ones wey me don bay for inside there, they dey like almost about 4. Now they say, bro, this one a chair, this one a correct guy, na chair. Now you na bros you dey go call us for, wetin dey sup? I say, hey, so you two go control me, make they come beat me. You come say, make you comot your motor for road. I come say, okay, I thank God so una fit give una guy sense o. He block road, full road, where people dey pass. He say no. Say as him park there, when you finish wetin you wan do, nobody will make am comot. If they talk to una, he turn the thing to fight. You go see people say they be Curtis, say that they say court where we know now how they wanted to promote a particular belief in the society. This our own now killing. All of them, there's no one that is innocent of the killing. Killing every day. Now 2 days now, I don't say they never kill. 2 days. That one don't mean say they are gone. They don't throw away the gun. No. Or that one don't mean say they never they all yet the gun down to find how they want to go kill. But not until when government come make am a sort of policy. Say any area where person die, they will arrest all the number one. Because we know say for this our country, Nigeria constitution give us right to freedom of association. Some will be Curtis, they say them be neo-black movement. But I will never see them with that organization. I know I get lawyer friends, I get doctor friends, I get engineer friends, well-read people. When I mean well-read people that I go to meet them to advise me on issues that has to do with their discipline. I go to meet them to counsel me when they need be. And at the bar say those kind of people go there for organization, they don't go fit come out and tell themselves their members the truth. You see these days now, 17-year-old boy, 14-year-old boy wey just say in parents no fit control am again for house. The next thing we go join a court. When he join court, all the elders for street now, all of them don't turn to a boy. He doesn't want to give any of them listening. He doesn't want to listen to advice. And that same platform, now graduate go say he belong to. Now engineer go say he belong to. Now doctor go say he belong to. Now politician go say they belong to. And they say they want make our state better. How you want it better? So we are giving government, because we are the people. We are giving government the go ahead now. If any area where they kill somebody, they are court heads of those areas. Arrest all of them. For you to get that started, let me tell you, because people don't know what to do, I will tell you. make sure that you call their head leaders, all the secret court in Edo State. Security agencies know they are number one. Security agencies know the number one of all the number one in all the courts in this state. They know the number one. They know the number one. So let them go and ensure. Let them go and ensure that they do everything humanly possible. Let them make sure that they do everything humanly possible to talk into this matter.
I say that number that day, I couldn't notice it.
Please, Safe, you are disturbing my broadcast.
I can't notice it.
So please, my people, the truth be said, truth no say they no talk am. If government no wan stop this killing, if we look and say they no wan make peace in this state, we will ensure that we come out, to continuously on daily basis condemn this rubbish that is in the state. Hello, what is this one? Are you not seeing I'm busy here? So my people, when I say even for yourself, as the truth why they talk, no believe say people they fight me for social media here on ground too. They want to obstruct the broadcast and they will say that they are friends. They will say that they are my people. This life be said. If we no help ourselves, nobody will come help us. Now we from here from Benin, from Owigbo side, from Port Harcourt, River State. Now we dey pack go slave trade 400 years ago. Now my papa they pack go. Some of them go the move block. They build Great Britain to the way Britain be today. They come back again. They colonize us. We see they behave like Mugu. We never feel even see the same way we build our own. Now we carry gun. Now ourselves with the key. We know if they want do scale of good things we don't come this Edo State and the bad ones we did the Edo State, the one we did the Edo State way bad now high pass the good one. If you want to talk good thing for this state, people go just want to make you their problem. They will want to make you their problem. So my people, as I tell una reach before they begin to distract me for the background of this broadcast, I want to let una know something. Know say at times e good make I no go call name this morning may no be like say e get a particular people why they vindicate. I don't talk am as e be generally. If you no like am, you do your lane, I do my own. See, I go cover this young man face because I no want make his face go viral. I will cover his face. See, this one also na vigilante be. See as he open passion. See as he cross leg. I go show you the crime scene. See, I no go play the I know show na the video. Make him face no show. They say one of the people they don't fit catch before with AK-47. Na in the chat now say security at work. They don't fit hold am. Say they catch am with AK-47. I don't know how they take do mago for DPP and the rest. They release them. Now in the catch thief now. They say security at work. So my people, make we try to ensure say we dey stand for wetin dey right. Make we try say we dey stand for wetin dey right. So my people, courtesan. If you no go better for they no go fit do and make it dey better, make our state dey better, make we wey dey the state too dey benefit from them. We will drive them. We are going to drive them because what these things that are doing. What these things that they are doing is to further ensure that they distract the development of this state. Imagine how much government has voted to ensuring that vigilantes are on the streets, to ensure that police work. That money, if there's no crime, and that money, they use that money to put roads in place, to renovate schools, to ensure that things move forward. Is that not a better one? These days, government will be buying bullets, buying ammunition, spending monies where they ought not to in a time like this, that we need more development, more infrastructural presence in our state. So my people, truth no say they no talk am. Now they made them arrest all the number one of all the number ones in their various area. If anything will be killing happen for 4 days now, for 2 days, sorry, they never kill. We go the count and they go for them. The moment we hear killing, that area where they for kill, we'll go there announce and say, make them arrest all the number one within the area for that area. Make them arrest them. We will carry protest to police. Make them arrest them, because police know all they are the ones that go to raid them. They raid them from their hotspots when the need be. So now they will want to can reach this morning. I beg, wetin we want now, make government they advance us as a people. Those of una wey be say during election, because una say I no support this government, una dey look me like say I be enemy. No, election don come, e don go. Even if case dey for court, I no be judge, I no be complainer for the case. The person wey I support, e no win, he say e dey court. If e go court see say in case na good case, that is his own favour. But in as much as say the person wey dey our state, na him be wey dey in charge of our state, now how you want to make sure say we dey safe, we do well as a people? Na that one be my headache o. Nothing concern me say politics. No, we don pass that area now. If election come another time, we see better candidate wey we believe say go do better, we know how we we'll take a position on this matter. So my people, when me don fit talk reach this morning, you know say e no easy for person to sit down for almost 1 hour dey talk continuously. Na there we go take draw the curtain close. So abeg, those of una wey dey support nonsense, wey go be say any small thing una run come out, na to come dey insult us, na to come dey call us name, na to come dey to just to bring in down syndrome. My brother, I no dey follow anybody drag anything. Do your own, make I do my own. Talk your own, make I talk my own. Wahala no go dey. So abeg, I take God name beg una. I take God name beg una, my do people. If we go fit join hand, ensure say we change the narrative of these cult groups in the state. That is the first stage of development that can visit those states. So once again, I no go still live again without talking to the cultists themselves. If you know say you be cultist, and you know say you wan get plan to carry gun come out, I advise you this moment, carry your gun, enter inside house. I advise you this moment to carry your gun, enter inside house, because the truth be said, society don tire for una for this una cultism matter, and if una no wan get sense, by force the sense go come. So as we don talk and reach, I don beg una, make una still try. Na 2 days we don dey celebrate. Make we still celebrate 1 year without killing them. From there we know how we take dey make peace. We know how we take resolve, make Edo State be a peaceful place. Make young youth dey enjoy themselves. For America, they get cultism there, the youth for there. Na how they wanted to make sure say their environment better, they look good, they live good, they enjoy good things. Na him they dey do the cultism for. But for here, our own na the reverse is the case. So na here I talk reach. As una personal person, comrade Igbogu Emmanuel, na see of work we take dey chop these days. Na see of one survey work we take dey chop. So if una know say una get see of work to do, and una dey come my platform, dey get the information wey dey go on for our state, una still dey get the solution of the way forward to take dey discuss more, una dey enjoy una sef and una dey talk to una sef. And una no wan dey patronize me, na God na him go change una mind make una come patronize me, because na the work wey we take dey chop now na him be that one. So abeg, if una want to survey una land, una want to do C of O, una want to verify land wey una wan buy before una go buy, abeg make una contact me. I am ever ready. Even if una call me for direct call I no pick because of meeting wey I go dey or because of engagement, abeg make una still try leave me with WhatsApp message. Na WhatsApp message na be the best, because I must see the information there, and from there we go respond to una accordingly. So abeg we dey o, particularly those wey be cultists. Na una see of what I dey like do, because when una know say na solution man to una problem, na im dey come meet una, una dey work for una. So that una go see better things wey una fit dey use una time dey do than to dey kill una. So all the cultists for Benin, because I know say una many, some of una say una get money pass politicians. So all the cultists for Benin, if una no patronize me na problem, because na matter na I don carry for head. So solution must come. End the killings. We are all one. God bless you. Let's learn to live in peace. Bye for now.
Now we don't hear from Emmanuel. Let us know what you think for comment section. And before you go, I beg, make you help us share this video. If you never subscribe to Dan ARG YouTube, try make you subscribe so that make you for the hear all the things where they happen for Edo State. So make I leave you with this video, make you help us share them. Thank you for watching Dan ARG YouTube.